Hello, this is Dr. Brand Niemann, Director and Senior Data Scientist with Semantic Community and founder and co-organizer of the Federal Big Data Working Group Meetup. Here to tell you about my Farm Data Dashboard for the USDA and Microsoft Innovation Challenge. This is the wiki page that contains the static information. Today I'm going to show you a live demo of the 3 data sets that I have integrated into Spotfire. The first 2 data sets are the USDA crop production practices and farm financial practices, as you can see in the first 2 tabs here. The third tab is making a comparison between the USDA and Spotfire farm dashboards that I've created. The fourth tab is other comma delimited files that I analyzed in my data science work. As you can see here, we can see crop production practices by both temporal and spatial features integrated in one visualization here. These can be filtered by the various columns that I show here on the right. So for example, if we want to look at just the crop information, we can see the change in temporal and spatial information here. This is temporal by years, and this is spatial by state, where the states are in the database as a number. We can do the same thing for the financial practices. Here we see the spatial by state and the temporal by year for the same database, and we can similarly do filtering of one or more. So we can look at crops, we can look at a topic within the crops, etc., and on and on. And finally, this tab shows a comparison of the USDA Farm Data Dashboard and the Spotfire Farm Dashboard that I've done in terms of the various characteristics, the number of years, the number of records, etc. And then here is the data dictionary that I constructed by extracting the information from the USDA Farm Data Dashboard. The second visualization is for the largest of all of the 3 databases, namely the NASS, or QuickStats as it's called. This is a huge database. It originates as a text file that's 11 gigabytes in size. When I bring it into Spotfire, it becomes a 2.gigabyte Spotfire file, so there's quite a bit of compression. So every statistic that the NASS QuickStats contained is in here. Notice that this database is over 31 million rows and 28 columns, all displayed here live on the web in Spotfire. So I can, again, slice and dice this according to the data dictionary that I created up here. I was interested in the distribution by Congressional District Code of Information, how many of the 39 or 38 columns had Congressional District information. So we could see what statistics by Congressional District. So here I did a rank order of the information and found that, of course, commodity wheat has the largest single row count in the database, about 3.6 or 7 million out of the 31 million. Again, the left pane contains the complete data dictionary by number, by time, by category, and all the way down here. And then every one of these provides a filter, which I can see the various things within each category or the range of the data. Again, all this information is found on my website, and all the details will be provided in an upcoming online course that's called Data-Driven Farming, next January 25th to March 16th from Heat Spring. Thank you for your attention.